today's video is going to be about the Pharrell Williams Solar Human Race NMDs. Now we all know that Pharrell has an ongoing collaboration with Adidas and he's come up with so many variations of the human race, but this time around it's called the Inspiration Pack, and there's 4 colorways in this pack, and there's actually one more which is a China exclusive and it's like a dark green colorway, so that will obviously be the most limited out of the whole drop, but I have the other 4 colorways to show you guys today. This pack is set to release this Saturday the 10th of November and the retail price is 380 Australian dollars. So before we jump into the unboxing video, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy unboxing videos, and let's just get into it. So I'm gonna start off with the white colorway, and this is probably gonna be the more popular one out of the pack because it is quite a neutral colorway. You have a full white upper with the black TPU detailing on the side, and just like all the other human races, it has the rope lacing system. It comes with a pair of green laces as well as a set of white laces if you're not into the green ones, and with the sole that is more like a trekking kind of sole, and it is in the white colorway. In terms of sizing, I would say these are true to size, and keep in mind it is a knit material, so it does stretch a tiny bit over time, but it does fit really snug and super comfortable. Moving to the back of the sneakers, you can see this bright yellow pull tabs, and on the right side there is the Adidas logo, and on the left side there is the Pharrell Williams logo. These are actually reflective, so when you take a photo with flash, you can really see the details, which is pretty cool. Next up we have the Power Blue, and it is like a cobalt blue. It has the pastel pink tabs, and this combination of color kind of reminds me of the BBC exclusive drop that they just did recently. It comes with a set of black laces, and again you can switch it out for a tonal look with the same cobalt blue laces over here. They've gone with a bright orange outsole, and at the back of the sneakers it has the silver pull tab detail. So next up we have Clear Sky, and this is like a baby blue colorway, and it has contrasting yellow laces and yellow outsole. I actually think this colorway looks super nice in person, and this is the only one out of the 4 colorway that has the contrasting embroidery. All the others has more like a tonal look, whereas this one you can see the embroidery a lot clearer, and it has a Chinese character on top of it. I can't really read it, so I don't know what it means. And if you already have a pair of human race that's more like a neutral colorway, then I would definitely go for this color because I think the color combination is really pretty. So it comes with yellow laces, but they also have a set of spare laces in the same baby blue colorway, so you can do more of a tonal look if you don't like the yellow. And throughout this whole collection, you'll notice that there is this tribal print lining along the ankles. At the back of the sneaker, there's like a tan, orange, yellow pull tab. But I'm actually a huge fan of this colorway. I didn't think I would like it, but seeing it in person, I feel like this would definitely look really good on feet. And last but not least, I have the black pair, and just like the white ones, I think this would be super popular because it's more like a neutral colorway. It does have some nice colorful accent like this turquoise cage and the bright orange laces. If you don't like the laces, you can swap it out for these white laces. But if you notice on the lace tips, they actually mirrored the color that's on the shoes. So it has the 3 stripes in the orange and turquoise color, which I think is a nice small detail. The outsole on this matches the laces, so it's like the red orangey kind of color, and on the back of the sneaker it is a nice tan color. Overall, I'm a huge fan of the Inspiration Pack. I know that Pharrell has come up with so many drops of the human races and not all of them have been super popular, but I feel like the color palette of this is really on point, and if you don't want your sneakers to be that loud, you can always swap out the laces because they've given you the option to have a more tonal look if you want to, and you have that cool print detailing around the ankles, which is subtle but noticeable at the same time. I would definitely pick up a pair if you don't already own a pair of human race because these are super comfortable and I reckon they look really good on feet. Now in terms of resale value, I'm not too sure because I don't buy sneakers to resell. I buy sneakers because I like them, not because of how hype they are or how much you can resell them for, because I buy my shoes and they just sit there. Okay, so I don't really know too much about resale, so if you guys have any questions about that, I'm probably not going to be the best person to ask. They will be dropping this Saturday at Sneaker Boy, so I'll list in the description bar below. It will be an Insta release at 10 AM, so it'll be first come first serve, and any remaining pairs will be available online. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to be getting a pair and which colorway you're going to get. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel because I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays, so you guys don't want to miss out. And don't forget to check out my last video because it is about the Yeezy NMD Zebra restock, and I also did a small lookbook thing because I know you guys are going to be picking up that pair of sneakers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye. Oh man, I don't know about you guys, but like this hay fever is affecting me big time this year. I don't know why. Did I just spit everywhere? Okay, am I the only person that feels like Pharrell never ages? Like, why does he still look 21 and still bae? Bonus mini unboxing. I actually got the Ultra Boost Undefeated that just dropped. Has it dropped yet? I don't even know. But I got it in the black colorway and I thought it's about time I got a new pair of Ultra Boost. And I think what's interesting about this pair is that it doesn't have the knit like the usual Ultra Boost. It has more like quite a stiff, is this like neoprene? Not really. But I've yet to try this on. I actually think the detailing is quite nice. The other pair is like a grey knitted one. If I'm going to be real, the Undefeated collab earlier this year with the Ultra Boost looks heaps better. But out of the two Ultra Boosts that they dropped this time, I definitely prefer this one. If you guys want to know a little bit more, just let me know in the comments below and I can do a full video. But I thought I'll just give you guys a quick preview of these guys over here. New shoes.